families of two of the University of Idaho students killed last fall have filed a notice reserving their right to sue the city of Moscow. According to newly filed documents, the families of Kaylee Gonsalves and Madison Mogan are considering suing the city for the murders of their daughters. The notices don't specify what kind of claim the families may make or how much money they're asking for, but their attorney claims these protect the rights for the family to sue within 2 years.
It's a safeguard to protect the interests of the families, the victims, and really the whole community and around, because if something goes wrong or was done improperly, then someone is held accountable for that.
He also said they filed notices with Washington State University, the University of Idaho, and Idaho State Police. Kaylee and Madison were among 4 students at the university who were found stabbed to death at their off-campus house back in November. And while the families are considering a possible civil suit, the criminal case against the alleged killer is well underway. So we're going to take a look at a timeline of what we know so far in this case. So on November 13th, 4 students were stabbed to death at an off-campus house where 3 of them lived. During this time, police say the suspect, Brian Kohberger, was a graduate at the Washington State University, which isn't far from where those murders happened. About a month and a half later, on December 30th, police arrested Kohberger at his parents' home in Pennsylvania. He was extradited to Idaho shortly after that, making his first court appearance on January 5th of this year. He wasn't supposed to be in court again until June, but it was in a surprise twist last Thursday that a grand jury indicted Kohberger, and yesterday he was in court where he had his arraignment, where he chose not to speak, so the judge entered a plea of not guilty. His trial is scheduled for October 2nd of this year.